Hello everyone. President Ramaphosa has sent a message to the former President Jacob Zuma after he was involved in a car accident that took place in KZN Eshowe on Thursday. The daughter of the former President, Duduzile Zuma, is suspecting a foul play and believes that the accident was something that was planned because the chairperson of the ANC KZN, Begim Dolo, once said that Jacob Zuma will be in hospital somewhere in May. A frustrated Duduzile took it to her timeline on social media and wrote, Minister Begicele, there have been many public threats on the life of President Zuma. Please investigate them all. And Cyril Ramaphosa, President Zuma's cars haven't been changed like other formers. Is there a reason for that? People reacted on her statement. One said, Zuma was never a president. Another one said, haha, drunk driver is a threat to drunk on power Zumas. Investigate Zuma for corruption. Someone also said, Becky can't investigate when he is part of the cartel. He is in fact there to give orders and protect those that do it. Another one said, your father shouldn't be driving at his age. Use your car. Taxpayers have no money to buy cars for formers. She also tweeted, the ANC of Ramaphosa is so evil. They refuse to upgrade President Zuma's fleet, and to spite him, they send President Zuma de Klerk's old fleet of cars. People also reacted, and one said, he is a private citizen on an undeserved pension. He can buy his own car if he's not happy with the one the government provides. Another one said, you leech off taxpayers' money to survive revolting laws. Another one said, time for facts. Ramaphosa treated de Klerk better than he treated Jacob Zuma. Truly said that the garbage of de Klerk is passed to President Zuma as if he is a garden boy of de Klerk. Such hate to your own skin, it must come from a dark heart. Let's be honest, the ANC of today hates black people with passion. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.